Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, look at this. What the heck is happening to Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin is completely going crazy, and the most important question right now is, of course, after we hit my first price target right here, after we hit my second price target here, congratulations for everyone who took the trade right here with me all the way towards the upside. The question right now is, of course, is Bitcoin going to get this liquidation candle all the way down here very, very soon? Or are we going to hit my price target all the way up here, which I am going to mention here exclusively in this video? Well guys, besides my current trades on Bitcoin, this one here, 250,000 US dollars, $250,000 US dollars in profits already. Then of course this trade here, 200,000 US dollars, 110,000 US dollars already taken. My very old trade on Bitcoin here with 410,000 US dollars in profits. And then of course my brand new trade, which I opened just like 1 day ago, right here, 160,000 US dollars in profits. The question is, Chris, what are you doing with these trades? When are you going to take profits? And more importantly, what would you be doing if you are standing on the sidelines? I will be showing you exactly what would be my game plan right now for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. But also guys, it wouldn't be MMCrypto if I wouldn't have big warning signs for you, because Bitcoin is going completely vertical right now here in this parabolic curve. I want to talk about these warning signs, not only right here, but also you can see here on the RSI, we are reaching a crucial level for Bitcoin right now. I want to be talking about exactly what this means for the Bitcoin price right now. Also make sure that you take advantage of hundreds of US dollars completely for free in the pinned comment down below. If you're an experienced trader, you just click these links, you make an account on these trading platforms where I am trading personally also, and after your initial deposit you get hundreds of US dollars for your free trading on Bitcoin here right now. And with that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the 1 hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this, I mean guys, literally I was waking up here at 5:30 to make this video for you, because crazy things are happening for Bitcoin right now. Well, we broke out here, we confirmed the breakout. You know that I traded this breakout right here. I traded it live, I was showing it to you. I will be showing you this trade here in this episode once again. My take profits, my current profits, where I'm going to take profits, but more importantly, what is my next trade for Bitcoin? But the most mind-blowing thing here is, well, not only that we hit our first price targets where we took partial profits here. No, we hit the second price target where we took partial profits here, also at 26,800 US dollars, and Bitcoin is just crushing through. I was actually talking about the 26,800 US dollars for the last 2 or 3 weeks. I always told you I don't want to be a broken record, and I bought it up. Well, we hit it faster than I expected actually. And before I continue here, I talk about my next price targets for Bitcoin, my current trades, my new trade, and also my future trade today here exclusively. I want to talk about all the price targets, of course, the next price target, because as crazy as it seems, we have to target the next one already since we broke the last one. I want to show you the previous video here, not only from yesterday, I could show you any video from the last 2 weeks where I was talking about this specific price level. Look at this. So this would be my next trade actually for Bitcoin. And of course, it is very important also to know what could be the next price target. And I don't want to be a broken record here, but the next price target is still the same. Nothing is changing here. I am still looking out for, especially now that we broke the previous Fibonacci extension level here, and the next one would be actually the 2.272, the 26,500 US dollar price target. Well, and as you can see, after we broke the previous one here, the one of the measured move price target, we broke out directly here to this specific price target here, the Fibonacci extension level. And if I go over here, you know that yesterday I was actually saying this Bitcoin bull flag breakout is imminent right now. I said it over on Twitter and also on the YouTube video at 24,800 US dollars. And well, guys, you know, we broke out exactly afterwards to my first price target here out of this bull flag. So congratulations for everyone who took this trade. Well, but also after this specific breakout, you can see here my Fibonacci extension level, which I mentioned throughout the last 2 weeks, the 2.272, the 26,800, we also hit it absolutely perfectly. So once again, congratulations for everyone who took the next profits right there. Of course, we don't don't close our entire trade. We only take partial profits here on the way up. So we have to talk about the next potential price target. But please, guys, please, and today it is more important than ever, stay here until the end of the video, because the warning signs I want to drop on your head, they are much more than even shocking, guys, because we are reaching crucial levels right now, actually levels which I didn't expect to be reached in December. I was expecting them to be reached in January. So I want to talk about the implications of that and the warning signs which are coming to us right now. I can I can promise you guys, these warning signs are certainly warning signs you should take notice of. First of all, of course, congratulations for everyone who took the trade here. I want to be talking about my trades, but also I want to bring up the next price target, which I actually thought is a realistic one for January. It seems to be realistic right now still. Already, even though these warning signs are certainly some not to miss out on. So please, guys, wait for this. But as you remember, I was quoting actually this one here, from the swing high to the swing low, and this is actually a price target also DaVinci J15 is looking at. And I can tell you guys, I didn't expect us to hit it that fast. I thought, well, this is a realistic price target for January, and people were already laughing at me. Well, you can see here, after us reaching all the previous price targets, the next one would be here. And it seems so small, it seems so close, yet it is so far, because it is the $30,000 level, the 1.618, the golden extension, the golden ratio here, the extension level of Fibonacci, approximately at $30,000. And this is a level which has to get hit, which always gets hits in every single bull cycle. But in this case, it seems like maybe it is rather sooner than later, the $30,000 price level. And we always take profits, especially in this case, way below the price target. So maybe 29,200 or so. This would be certainly a level where I would be taking my next profits here on Bitcoin. But guys, we are overextended, we are overbought here. And I want to go here into my trades. I have 4 trades open, 3 old ones and a brand new one. And I want to show you where am I going to take the next profits here on this trade. And also I want to dive here into the charts and I want to tell you what is my next trade for Bitcoin. I want to show it to you today exclusively. I want to show you exactly where I want to go, where I want to enter, and where I want to exit this specific trade. But before, and this is because I have this responsibility, I want to go into the warning signs. I have 2 warning signs, and if you are a sophisticated trader, you should open your eyes for them. Let's talk about the first one, and this is this parabolic curve. Here, big disclaimer, you can be very subjective on that, because you could be drawing it also like this, and then we broke it, right? So, of course, it is a little bit subjective, and I redrew this line. I want to be completely transparently here for you, but the matter of fact is one thing which this shows to us. It is not a perfect guideline when to buy or when to sell, but it shows us that we are going completely vertical. At this point of time, it was not vertical, but this is vertical. And just to show you, it sounds funny, but if I put a vertical line here, this is what vertical means. And this is exactly what the price is doing right now. And the moment we go vertical, this is the moment that the end is near. And I am not talking about the end of the bull market. I am talking about a scenario like this, where we go down for a few weeks and then we are going for the next leg towards the upside. So this is the first warning sign, but something which we can quantify, which really shows us historically, right now, we are in an area where we can at least say on the weekly, we are going to retrace rather sooner than later. And with rather sooner than later, I really mean rather sooner than later. Because going here into the BLX chart, you can see it on the weekly. We can see all the cycles, 2011, 13, 17, and also today's cycle, where we are at right now on the weekly. And what I was plotting here for you on the downside is the RSI. It is the relative strength index, which shows us historically on the weekly whenever we are overbought or whenever we are oversold. And what you can see here is I was zooming out completely on the downside, the RSI, and I was marking for you, and here it is a little bit subjective. You could take the 90, the 91, whatever. What I wanted to do here is I wanted to put a horizontal line where historically in the charts we were getting into historically really overbought territory, and where the Bitcoin price was due for a massive retracement. Sometimes we had another 30-40% pump, but on the weekly we knew this week or next week, latest the week afterwards, we are going to get this big retracement. And let's just focus on the last bull cycle here. And you can see that the Bitcoin price was literally hitting this specific RSI level every single time. 1, 2, 3, 4 times actually in the last bull cycle. And every single time, right here or right there, right? Every single time we were hitting it, here for example, we were due for a massive retracement. In fact, actually retracements, let me go in here, of a big magnitude here, approximately 30-40%. It doesn't seem like that big, but this was 38%, right? So the RSI shows us, and especially on the weekly, it is very, very hard to get into the 90 territories, that right now we are actually significantly overbought. And today is Sunday. If this week closes, this line will go even a little bit higher. And I am not saying we are going to retrace today or tomorrow. Maybe we are going to hit the $30,000 level and then retrace. Who knows, guys? What I want to tell you here is, if you are in with your whole life in leverage trades, well, you might as well consider taking a big chunk of profits here, because we are not only overbought, we are significantly historically overbought. The last time actually this happened was December 2017, the day when the CME futures came out. So I wanna give you this big sign of warning here. And of course, this is just for the short term. This is nothing for your long-term portfolio. I am holding my holding portfolio even if the RSI goes to 100. I don't care about that. But for my trading portfolio, I am taking significant measurements, and I am going to talk about my trades. One last thing I wanted to show you, and this is of course good news. This is the weekly chart. Look at the RSI overbought. But if I go over to the monthly chart, you see that this is just the beginning of the bull market. You see we are only at 80, and Bitcoin is probably going to follow a trajectory throughout the last next few months, where we are going here into the overbought territory, then getting a retracement. Bitcoin is getting sold off a little bit, and then we have the last run towards the upside, probably towards the end of 2021, and then we go into the bear market. This is at least what happened the last time. We always have double tops here on the RSI on the monthly, and I am expecting something similar throughout the last 12 months, next 12 months, because you can see this is not the end of the bull market, by far not. We probably have another 8, 12, 16 months here to go for this specific bull market. I will be updating you on that as well, of course. So now you know all my price targets. The previous price targets we hit. Congratulations for everyone here. The MMCrypto community is the most profitable one in the world. I can say that at least with a very high degree of confidence here. And now I want to go into my trades, because you know I have my trades open. My trade over on Bybit, you can see it right here, $250,000 in profits. I already took 6 Bitcoin in profits, approximately $180,000. So this is in total a $430,000 trade, and I am going to take profits here. Not only very soon, I am going to take profits in the immediate short term here, at least a few profits out of these trades over into my realized profits. And of course also I want to be talking about the trade I was opening just like 24 hours ago. This is this trade here. It is right now. I didn't take profits so far, but I have to take profits right now. I was just sleeping, so I missed my first personal price target, $160,000 in a profit here. And of course now profits have to be taken here, otherwise, yeah, I mean, why are we trading on these short-term trades if we are not taking profits, right? So please do so, guys. I really want to urge you for that, especially considering these warning signs I was just pointing out. Of course, Bitcoin has more upside whenever it's vertical. You never know when the end is going to come. We just know time-wise the end is going to come very soon. This is my next trade here over on Phemex. You can see this is my long trade, $410,000, $407,000 in a profit right now. Very, very nice. Let's make this one legendary. This one I opened at $9,000. I am not going to close it anytime soon, guys. $400,000 in profits on this one. And of course, I have my other trade over on Phemex right here. Nearly $200,000 in profits. Absolutely crazy. Another $110,000 I already took in profits. And you can see here already 20 Bitcoin on this account approximately. I took 11.7 Bitcoin just like 1 month ago in profits. People might say prematurely, but you cannot taking profits is never a mistake, guys. And then another 4 Bitcoin here on this specific trade. So overall, I don't know, probably like $2 million in profits or so. And of course, the only reason why I am taking these profits is because I want to make sure that I am set, that I am secured whenever this big liquidation candle comes. And guys, I can tell you, it is going to come. And one thing you have to keep in mind, whenever you take profits on a trade, you take these profits in Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes higher, you still make profits, right? If Bitcoin goes down from there and you took 1 Bitcoin in profit, you still have 1 Bitcoin in profit. Psychologically, trading Bitcoin settled futures is amazing because whenever you take profits, it's not a mistake. You take these profits in the scarcest asset in the history of mankind. You take the profits in Bitcoin. Please keep that in mind. And of course, guys, if you also want to be trading Bitcoin here, the current volatility is completely crazy. So please be an experienced trader if you want to be doing so. But then scroll down to the pinned comment where I have the biggest bonuses here right now for limited time. Hundreds of US dollars literally here on Bybit, Phemex and UDEX. If you click these specific links here within a 20-second time frame or so, you get your account, and after your initial deposit, you can get hundreds of US dollars on these specific exchanges for free. You can use the free bonus. You can trade on Bitcoin only with your bonus, not even with your deposited money. And you can withdraw the profits from these free trades also completely for free. Guys, I really wanted to ask you, if you watched this video until the very end, you are the true crypto family. I really appreciate you. YouTube laughs if you are watching the videos until the very end. Thank you so much for your continuous support. You are making us what we are, the most viewed crypto channel in the world. Thank you so much for that. Also, guys, I really appreciate always when you make noise for the algorithm here. I mean, yesterday's video got more than 6,000 likes. It's crazy, guys. Make sure you smash up the like button towards a new all-time high. You subscribe to our channel, and this is important, guys. You have to press the bell. You have to press on all to make sure that you get my push notifications when I am releasing my next video, because I release them not regularly at the same time, sometimes in the morning, sometimes in the night. So press the like button, press also the bell and press on all, and share this video with your friends, because you know we love the backlinks. YouTube laughs when you are creating these backlinks on Twitter, on Instagram, on WhatsApp. So thank you so much for that. And with that being said, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.